Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply make your website responsive on Elementor or in Elementor. That's better wording, so let's start. So what you want to do first is just go left down corner and you're going to see responsive mode. Click on it and just choose like mobile. Right when you're going to do it, click on whatever like element you want, and now everything you see is going to be possible to edit in mobile. So let's say that I want to make this text bigger. I will just click here on edit and you can see the size here, that you can change size on desktop, on mobile. So I will make it really big, like to 50. This is really ugly, it's really big, but thanks to it you will see what I mean. And now when I would click back to the responsive mode of desktop, you can see that the size is the basic one, right? But I can increase the size again. Simple. And when I go back to mobile, here I see it's really big. That's like, this is the first thing that you can do, that you can jump from table to desktop and edit it on each. So another thing is, when you're gonna go to advanced, let's say that I don't want to be here, this element, I don't want to show. You want to hide it. So you can easily hide the element on mobile, but on desktop, you will be able to see it. So this is another really good feature that you can use as to make your website responsive. And that's pretty much it. So when we go back to style, again, you can just change the icon and everything. You can change the background. You can change the align, and again, just simply change the size. What I really like that in the past, in Elementor, everything would be here to like on desktop, so you needed to edit it, right? But right now, when you're gonna click on mobile, everything is going to be on mobile. And it's a pretty cool thing, I think, right? So, and again, line height. And when I go back to computer, like that. Yeah, thank you, see ya, and goodbye.